Hello there. Welcome everyone. It is now 2020. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just making a little update on the geothermal stuff that I showed off, about a year ago now? Decided to come out here with the thermal imager and the camcorder and a light. So let's go check it out real quick. And nothing special today, just probably a really quick video. Just going to see some holes in the snow, maybe some steam, and some colorful red imagery on the thermals. So yeah. Alright, here's fracture 1. I can see there's moisture, water droplets within the fracture there. Maybe you can see some of the reflection there. So it's warm enough, I can already tell, to not cause ice to form inside. Now if I put the thermal to it, it's going to go black for a second. There's the thermal image of the same fracture looking inside of it. Definitely some heat coming out right now. It's only warming the rocks up to about, I think it might have just said 39 in there, I don't know. But that's only the surface temperature of the rock, not the actual air temperature. So my thermal gun has lasers on it, as you can see right there in the snow. Now, what I'm hoping is I can scan this across the surface and hopefully see where steaming is happening, because if I breathe in front of the beam, as I scan it up there, you won't be able to see it, but I can tell there's steam in the air. So let's go check it out. Alright, so past video I mentioned how sometimes the heat would make snow caves. We have several feet of snow. This is the most snow we've had in a winter around here in a long time. As you can see, there's a cave here, snow cave, from hot air escaping the ground. Hopefully you can see that. There's rock in there. Let's take a thermal reading. I'm not seeing any visible steaming. Sometimes it's hard to see, especially with the light I'm using the light on my phone, but if I had a spotlight, it'd make it even better. Let's get a thermal image. Alright, try to get this to focus. Now again, this is only measuring surface temperature of the rock, and since the rock is exposed to the air, it's going to be slightly colder, but there's enough warmth coming out of these vents that it's not allowing snow to build up on top, and it's melting it. As you look across, I think there's another one right there. Yep, just a tiny signature. Right about there. Put my laser on it, if you can see that. Alright, here we have another snow cave. You can see how thick the snow is here. I'm actually on a deer trail. The deer cut through here. The snow would be up past my knees. And if you can see, there's the ground, there's a hole, and there's a rock. And you can see it made quite the snow cave. Oh yeah, I can see the steam coming out. And right here we have the bigger vent. And let's show you on the thermals now. Okay, first the snow cave. As you can see the heat signature there. And then if we go up to the bigger vent, which is up here, you can see it's lighting up pretty good right there. I'm not even looking into it yet. Here's the big vent, looking right down into it. And it's steaming right now. See if I can get you to see that. Right there, if you look really closely, you can see it's not really steam, it's water vapor. If you can see the clouds coming up out of it. And the thermal image, looking down into the abyss. It's pretty warm down there. Now, many years ago, there used to be a vent right here. There used to be a snow cave. Not this year. So, and geothermal activity can be that way. This is about the most active I've seen it since 2016 or 2017. So this is about second place for activity that I've seen, maybe third. And here's another big vent. And right there is where Snowcano usually is. It's that little snow cone. Like usually, if these are active, you get like a cone of snow that kind of looks like a big little volcano right there. It's not very cone-shaped this year. It's kind of interesting. Usually it's more to the left, right about there. Alright, let's take a look at the thermal. Alright, thermal time. And you can see pretty much the same, just red on the screen. Alright, right on top of the ground now. Got a rocky cliff face here. And if you come over here, you can see there's no snow on the dirt right there. And there's no holes or anything over there, it's just dirt. Now, let me show you the thermal. If you look on a thermal, there it is, it got some heat. Let's look at the big one that was right here. Okay. This is by far one of the warmest signatures yet. The camera kind of dulls what I'm seeing because it's blurry. The colors are more bright on my screen a little bit, but definitely some stuff going on. Alright, well, that was that. So it's definitely steaming. Like I said, this is about the second or third most active I've actually seen it. Anyways, quick video for today. Just thought I'd say hi and give you guys kind of an interesting video. Back in college, one more semester, so I'm going to be really busy. And we have tons of snow, so I'm not going to be doing much outside. But got much plans in the future. Hope to see you all soon. Take care.